Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the clean and trim function inside the powerful index match function to clean and retrieve your data accurately, all in just 1 minute. Let's dive in. Imagine you have a dataset with messy text entries and you need to find corresponding values. Here is how we can clean the data and perform an accurate lookup all in one go. We will integrate clean and trim directly within our index match formula. So here is our formula. Type equals index, define a range, match, then use trim function, clean function, define a range or array, use 0 for the exact match and press enter. We have the result. Now just click here on the corner of the cell and drag it down. This way, you ensure no unwanted characters or spaces interfere with your lookup. So let's break it down. Clean removes non-printable characters, trim gets rid of the extra spaces, and match finds the row number for our index function to retrieve the accurate value. And there you have it. In just 1 minute, you have learned how to clean your data and perform the precise lookup using the clean, trim, and index match. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching.